So we have a Garmin in here today. It's the GPSMAP 740s. Customer complaint was no power. We got this thing on the bench, put 12 volts to it, and we noticed some slight, not water damage, but water residue around some capacitors and diodes and stuff. We cleaned it up with isopropyl alcohol, and they looked fine. We took voltage readings. All the voltages seemed okay. But still we're getting that no power condition. You press the button, you get a blip of like 40 milliamps, and then cuts right off nothing. So we actually found a bad little coin cell here. These little lithium coin cells. So we actually didn't have this particular coin cell in stock here in our parts. This is a Panasonic MT621. What we did have is, oh geez, what is it, an LR377? Anyways, a quick test. We soldered this thing in place, and the unit does fire up now and seems to be working properly. So we're going to get this whole section cleaned up and mount this battery properly. We could order one of these batteries. They're used in watches and things like that as well, and they actually go for like, I think $30 on eBay. We checked. I mean, they're less or more depending on who the seller is. But I mean, this is a battery we had in stock here in the shop. It's going to be more than fine for, you know, keeping memory intact on this unit here. So we'll clean this up. We'll keep this battery in here, and I'm sure the customer's not going to have any problems. And you know, we're also saving them some money there by not ordering a specialty part, and also lead time waiting for the thing to come in from China. Anyway, so just a tip there: if you have any Garmin's, specifically the GPSMAP 740s, and you have a no power condition, and you're actually getting voltages on the board, I would check that battery there. That could be your issue. Alright, so here we are. We just put this thing back in place real fast, just as a super quick test. We just have the power button connected, we have the display connected, backlight connected, and we still have that temporary 12 volt wire going to that point in the board just to test this thing, see if it powers on, see if that was indeed the issue. Okay, so very carefully press on the power button. And there we go. So that seemed to be the issue. We're gonna again sort of reinstall that battery properly. We're gonna put some heat shrink tubing and things around it, resolder it, clean it up a little bit, and then we're gonna reinstall the board here completely, and we're gonna fully test this thing and get it back to the customer. Again, any issues with no power conditions on the 740s, check that battery. That might be the issue. If you guys have any other fish finders, Garmin, Lawrence, just any fish finders or electronics in general, again, we repair all electronic devices. Feel free to go to the website www.rudolphrepairs.com and request a free estimate. Until then, talk to you guys soon.